Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, we have this square and this green area is equal to 2 times this yellow area. How to calculate this angle alpha? How can we solve this? Let the side of the square is 1. This side will be also 1. Let the base of this green triangle is x. Then the base of this yellow triangle will be 1 minus x. And this is a square, so this angle will be 45 degree. If this is 45 degree, then this length will be also x from here to here. Now the green area will be equal to half into x square, and the yellow area will be equal to half into 1 minus x into 1. We can cancel these two, and this is implies x square equal to 2 minus 2x. Simplify it and we can write x square plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and we can solve this by quadratic formula. So x equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 12 divided by 2, and we can write this as x equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3 divided by 2. By taking 2 common and cancel with this 2, we can write x equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 3. We will choose x equal to minus 1 plus square root of 3. Now we can calculate alpha, and we can write from the yellow triangle tangent alpha is equal to 1 minus x divided by 1, and tangent alpha is equal to 1 minus x is minus 1 plus square root of 3, and this is equal to 2 minus square root of 3, and we can write alpha equal to tangent inverse 2 minus square root of 3, and this is equal to 15 degree, and this is the correct answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.